Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. I am here with another one. I am so excited to be embarking on this journey with you all to meet Allove Hair. Allove Hair. Okay, so this is a human hair vendor. All you need is love and great hair. I couldn't agree more. I don't know about y'all, but I couldn't agree more. So let's get on into her. I have the deep wave hair. Okay. Let me just pull her out so you can see her. This is like really straight out the pack. For real, for real. Usually I wash them and then come to you guys, but this one is actually out the pack. So this is the 13 by 4, okay, deep wave hair, lace front wig. This is grade A virgin Remy hair, that's what they calling it, okay? So this comes with the hair. Allove Hair sends you the hair and some stocking caps, which you know we all love those. So let's get into the cap construction. Again, she's a 13 by 4 lace. She has 3 combs, 1, 2, 3, okay, 1 in the back, adjustable straps Wakanda forever, as well as lace in the back, just in case you want to throw her up in a cute little pony, okay? So we're just going to take this lace off. All right, this is our unit fresh out the pack. Again, we have her in 24 inches and she's going for just under $200. Okay, so she's $172.55. Allove Hair always has some kind of sale, some kind of coupon. I'll make sure I leave you some deets in the description. Okay, again, I have her in 24 inches. She is big head friendly, like very big head friendly, which I love. Okay. Look at that. So we're just giving you a first look. This is what she looks like fresh out the pack. This is what the curl pattern look like and everything, okay? All I'm going to do is just go through, get her together as she is. Like, how quick can we get her together fresh out the pack? So when I first took this hair out the pack, it's 150% density. And I thought it was a little thin. But to see her all brushed out, I feel like, oh, okay, that's where all the hair is at. She was just up underneath there. So let's just give you guys. Okay. She is hair, honey. With my baby bangs. Let me move my baby bangs out the way. This hair is so beautiful. She does not tangle at all. Okay? At all. I'm going to just turn around so you guys get the curl pattern in the back. See how long she is. You guys, this hair is beautiful. Let me just go through and get her together. So we're just going to use our hot comb just to go through and flatten out the hair around the perimeter of the face. And this helps to give your lace like a more defined, like much more natural look. This is a 13 by 4 lace and Mother is laid. Maybe not down to sleep, but she's taking a cute little cat nap, okay? I really do like how this unit doesn't necessarily have to be glued down, but because she's a big head friendly one, I would either suggest, sewing in the band or opting for that band to be sewn in or just gluing her down. But this unit really is nice and the density was really surprising. You guys, I'm just like really impressed for some reason. And I think I'm also impressed because this feels beautiful. Like, first of all, y'all are like me. We are all legit just finding out that it's all these hair companies. We all finding it out at the same time. But I'm really impressed with the amount of hair companies that are such quality. Like, this hair is stunning. I'm not even going to glue her down because y'all know I'm lazy. I ain't about that life. So we're just going to go through. This is a first look anyway. And I'll come back and give you an updated style her down. Let me tell y'all something. I am feeling this hair. She's big. Like I said, when I got her, I was a little bit put off by the density. It said 150 and it looked a little thin. But let me tell you something. Ain't nothing a good brush through won't fix. I didn't even glue this down, child. No, I didn't. All right, guys, so we're just about done. I am obsessed with this hair. Now, again, we did not glue her down. We threw her on and just brushed her. Like, you know what I mean? And that's the kind of ease you want. Now, this unit is super big head friendly, okay, which is nice. I must say, I probably should have glued her down because, like, if I were going out, I would definitely glue her down. Only because she's so big head friendly that I wouldn't feel comfortable wearing her glueless. But this thing right here, look at this hair, guys. No tangles. I'm just, like, obsessed. Like, I really, really am. She is so pretty. Like, so pretty. So I'm really impressed with Allove Hair. I want you all to check them out. They're always running a sale. I'll leave you all the deets that you need to know about this hair in the description. But get into her. Get into her. She came through with the come through. We just me and her. And I think her and I could be friends. Like, what do you think? I don't know. We're gonna be besties. We're gonna do a little second video situation to figure out if this is a forever thing. You know what I mean? But other than that, guys, get into her. She is so beautiful. I'm like, no tangles. I'm just so impressed. It's not even funny. I just want to try one thing before we go. Okay, so I showed you how she looked both ways. We definitely went through, zhushed her up a bit. And then we came through with our mousse and just calmed the curls down and gave her a more defined look. And I must say, I couldn't be happier. Look at that wave and that hairline, okay? So I genuinely could not be more happy with this hair. We definitely pumped her up just to get her on down, okay? And she looks great. Like, I really do love her. Again, she's right under the bub, okay? Very pretty hair. I should have came through with a bathing suit for this one because she is summertime fine, like the long way. So, back with a follow-up. How y'all feel about that? And let you guys know how she's been doing or whatever. And we will see you guys later.